In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Mailerlite in 2005 step by step. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account and open the dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. From there, click Create or Create Campaign to start building a new email. Next, choose your campaign type. For a standard newsletter or promotional email, select Regular Campaign. After that, you'll have the option to start from scratch or use a template. Starting from scratch gives you full control, while a template can help speed things up if you want a ready-made layout. Now it's time to choose your editor. Mailerlite gives you a few options, including the drag and drop editor, the simple editor, and the custom HTML editor. If you're new to the platform, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest and most flexible choice. Once the editor opens, design your email by adding your content. This can include text, images, buttons, links, and any other elements you want your audience to see. Take a moment to make sure everything looks clean and easy to read. When you're happy with the design, click Done Editing. After that, enter your campaign details. Add a campaign name so you can easily identify it later inside your account. Then write your subject line, choose your sender name and sender email, and add a pre-header if you want a short preview line to appear after the subject in the inbox. These details are important because they shape the first impression your subscribers get. Next, select your recipients, click Select Recipients, then choose the groups or segments that should receive the campaign. If needed, you can also exclude specific groups or segments, which is helpful when you want to avoid sending the same message to the wrong audience. Before sending anything, review the email carefully, preview it, and check how it looks on both desktop and mobile. Also confirm that the subject, sender details, links, images, and content are all correct. This step helps catch small mistakes before they reach your subscribers. Then send a test email to yourself or a colleague using the Send a Test option. This gives you a final real-world look at the message in an inbox. When you're ready, click Send or Schedule and choose how you want the campaign delivered. You can send it immediately, schedule it for later, deliver it based on subscriber time zones, or use Smart Sending if that feature is available on your plan. Finally, review everything one last time and click Send Now or Schedule. If you schedule it, the campaign will appear in the outbox until it goes out. After sending, open it from the Sent folder and check the campaign report to see how your subscribers interacted with the email.